Okay, in this problem we have sine of 2x times the cosine of 2x, which looks very much like our identity that says 2 sine of x cosine of x is equal to the sine of 2x. Now it's important to note here that if I had, oh, let's not do that. If I had four times the sine of x cosine of x, I would have to make that 2 times 2. And then this part right here would become the sine of 2x, and I'd still have a 2 out front. Okay. Just for fun, let's make this an 8 times the sine of x cosine of x. I would make this 4 times 2, so I can connect that 2 to the sine of the angle, cosine of the angle, because I need to have sine of an angle, cosine of an angle times 2 in order to make that part the sine of 2x. And then of course I'd have this 4 would stay. So you might understand that and say, yes, 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 I get that, I get that. Let's look at double angles now, or at an angle other than x. If I have 2 times the sine of 3x cosine of 3x, that's going to become the sine of twice 3x, which is the sine of 6x. Okay. If I have 2 times the sine of 9x, the cosine of 9x, that's going to become the sine of 2 times the original angle of 9x, making it the sine of 18x. So when you've got that 2 right here, you're going to be able to double whatever angle you're given. So back to where we are. We've got the sine of 2x, cosine of 2x. So how can we simplify that? It sure would be nice if we could make it the sine of twice an angle, right? It sure would be nice if we can make it the sine of 4x. But what's missing right here is this 2. So in order to make this happen, I need this 2 right here, which does not exist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like a 2 by multiplying by 1/2 and by multiplying by 2. This way, I'm really just multiplying by 1. So sorry. I'm really just multiplying by 1 right here. So I've got 1 still times the sine of 2x, cosine of 2x, but I've made 1 look a little differently so that I don't know what's going on here. So sorry. I'm going to bring this, now I'm going to be able to group this to become that, right? But I've got this 1/2 that's still there. I can't forget that. So the sine of 2x, cosine of 2x. I'm going to put a 2 there that I need, and I'm going to put a 1/2 there to undo the multiply by 2. So I haven't done anything. Now what I can do is say, okay, we can rewrite this as the sine of 4x, but I have a 1/2 out here. And that's how we get 1/2 times the sine of 4x from our original expression right there. Those two are equivalent. Not this part. Those two things are equivalent.